send me his most precious daughter, 'cause my heart couldn't take no more. He tried to love twice before, till I seen my black squirrel. I knew God gave me the world when he sent me an angel, my beautiful. When we're together, my heart is so full. You make life so much better. I love you always and forever, forever and always. You encouraged me to follow my dreams, so we bought a cabin in eastern Kentucky. The love you have for our family means everything to me. I was blessed by your hand, 'cause God had a plan when he sent me an angel, my beautiful. When we're together, my heart is so full. You make life so much better. I love you always and forever, forever and always. When he sent me an angel, my beautiful. When we're together.
All right, so this is the starting of our snowstorm. It's been snowing for about an hour now. Just a light snowing, dusting like this, but it's covering everything, so it's definitely down in the mid-20s. Today is Sunday. I think it's like the 5th. Yeah, I think it's the 5th of January of 2025. And it's supposed to snow all the way through tomorrow night. There's a little bit back there. Fez, you ready to go in the snow to go feed the pigs and the chickens? Cows are by the gate. Are you gonna give us some sweet feed today? Sure is pretty. What are you guys up to? Huh? Hey piggies. Hey piggies. Hey piggies. Okay, Chezzy. So, that back door over there on the left somehow came down. Cows got it broke down and then stepped all over the door, bent it. It's a metal door. Came in here and just annihilated this place. Knocked over everything. Pooped, knocked over this feeder. Brand new feeder. Got a box and pooped on it. Our dog crate stepped on it, just bent the whole thing in. Cost me like almost $90. And this was full like this, and they ate it all the way down to here, or as far as their big old heads could fit in. And yesterday, Tez and I had to go, and we went and filled it back up. Huh, piggies? Oh, piggies. All right. Okay. I'll get you some more. Huh, Barley. Yeah, you come in, Barley. You can come in. What is it, Barley? Okay, come on over here, Tess. Yeah, don't worry about that. Come on over here. Tess, you're not listening to me. I know you'll figure it out, but right now, it's cold. And I'm not dressed to be out here. I'm in my church clothes. Except for this shirt I threw on from the truck. Huh. Isn't that right? Yeah. Get this fixed. Isn't that right? 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 Hi. What is it? Yeah, you good boys. Come on. Come on, Tezzy. They're just playing right now. I know sometimes it gets a little rough trying to be the alpha. Yeah, you good boys. Yep, so it's gonna get, snow's gonna get up to 9 inches, 9 to 12 inches. So they're saying 9 inches in this area, but apparently it's getting deeper than that, and areas a little bit north of here. Come on, Tez. Oh, thank you for putting the rock down. Come on, let's get home. Let's go. I got all the stuff out of the truck. I got to get to the house. My hands are cold. Come on. Come on, let's go. Yes. Daddy's hands are cold. Come on. Come on. Come on, Tess. Let's grab the bucket, the pail. Thank you, sir. Daddy's hands are really cold, and I got all this stuff I gotta take out of the truck into the house. Yeah, just set it on top. 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 That bucket doesn't go inside there because gotta let all that water and the snow. Okay. Phew. That seat feels good. Okay. I am ready to go start getting the stuff. You ready? We'll go grab stuff out of the truck to take it in the house. Hey, Tess. Yep, come here, Tess. I know, they blew off. Come on. Tess. Good job. Here, do this one. Stand on it like this. Good job. Doing good. Do the other boot. Perfect. You're awesome, buddy. Okay, let's get in the house. Before I open it, I got to get in the house. Okay. Hold on. You don't have to start crying as soon as you get in the house. Daddy's going to help you. Okay. What? No, not up here. Don't do it up here, Tez. Not up here. You're not listening. Why? Why are you not listening? Put it on the floor. It belongs on the floor, not on the couch. I don't want you to shoot it on here. You do it on the floor. You don't do it on the couch. You're going to do it. You're going to shoot it up in the air. Woohoo! That's awesome, buddy. That's awesome. I'm coming out to take video of the snowstorm we're starting to get. Hi.
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 Fire.
Hi.
Fire. Fire. Shoot. 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 Shoot.
Yeah. All kinds of snow out there, huh? Wow. That's something else.
Shoot.
What is that? Looks like either something hit the glass, cracked the glass, or it's a feather. Might be a feather. I have birds hitting the back windows all the time.
Oh,
I don't know why, but they're just constantly dunk,
Don't.
dunk. You're like, what in the heck just hit the window? And you look out and there's a bird dazed and confused on the ground.
Wow.
There's the duck. So what do you think, bud?
Wait.
Huh? What do you think of the snow? You like the snow? Huh? You like snow?
Yeah.
No? Why don't you like it? Is it cold? Yeah. Yeah. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Woo! That went way over there. 3, 2, 1, go! 3, 2, 1, go! I'm all done. I'm all done. I'm all done. Okay. What do you want?
Cocaine.
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 What?
Cocaine.
Cocaine. Cocaine. Say. Yeah, let's not say that, okay? Say cup
Cup.
of.
Drops.
Say of.
Up.
Candy.
Up. Candy.
Cup of candy.
A cup. Candy.
Cup of candy. Say it again. Cup of candy.
Cup. Candy.
Cocaine.
Cup. Candy.
Cocaine. So it's Monday, and it's still snowing. Let me show you. Say hi. Okay, hold on. Let me put my glasses down. You got it? You good? Need my hand? Awesome. You're awesome, buddy. Why are you taking? No. Do not take your gloves off. No. That's a no. All right. You ready? Go back out. Yeah. It's what? Slippery. Yeah, with your boots wet. Yeah. It's slippery. Oh, yeah. Is it cold? You like the snow? Yeah. Let's give mommy a video. Okay, let's hold on a second. Cincinnati. So, is it cold outside? No. You like the snow? Yeah. Is it slippery in here? Yeah. You ready to go outside and show mommy? All right. Okay. Yeah, tractor, huh? It does. Okay. How you doing? Yeah. So one more video for Mama. It didn't take the whole thing. Here. Tezzy, look this way. Say, love you, Mommy. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Love you.
Bye.
Say, I love you. So, got the tractor ready so we can plow the driveway. And had to go out to feed the pigs, so I figured I'd drive out to the gate to get in the pasture and then drive, plow the road going to the pasture or to the pigs. I couldn't get the gate open at all. And I only could get enough to where I could squeeze in and get around it. And since I have little, I was like, and he kept falling in the snow because it's up over his knees, and it has like an ice, like about a 3/4 inch, like ice cap on top of it. It's really crusty. So he kept falling. I was like, okay, I wonder if I could, come into the gate with my tractor and just kind of push it. So I did, and I was doing very well. But a part of my tractor, when I came back, I pushed it all the way open, fine. Figured I would kind of back up and then plow into there. And I wanted to get close to the gate. And part of my front plow caught the gate and ripped the gate off of the front of the pasture. So now I have cows walking up because they're always curious. See, he's always falling. He keeps getting himself up, but he always screams first as soon as he falls. But once he gets up, he realizes, oh, I'm okay. Come on, don't lay backwards, just get up. So I'm trying to hurry up and grab the gate and pull it over, and because it came off of the T-rods where it attaches on the post, and the post became loose in the ground. Grab my hand. There you go. Okay, don't get in the fresh snow, buddy, because it has that ice cap on it, and don't, you're gonna fall again. Come on back to the tractor, we gotta go. Tez, you're not listening to me. Go back to the tractor, come on. Get back over here and walk where I plowed already. Come on. So stubborn. Man, he's like I was when I was a kid. Watch. See? Look at that. So I actually, so as I'm doing that, and I tell Taz, do not come out of that tractor. I'm going to bust your butt, because he always takes off. You know, he always gets out of the tractor when I have to just step down real quick. And I always tell him, stay in the tractor, do not get out. So I tell him I'm going to bust his butt, which usually keeps him in there. As I'm hurrying up, as I see the cows starting to walk closer, probably about 25 yards. They're about 25 yards from approaching. I see the door open and Tez hanging on the handles, his feet dangling over the ground as I'm holding this gate, trying to drag it back to the post as the cows are approaching me. And then he falls. You see him just drop out of sight. Then you hear, ah! But I had to get the gate on because the cows were coming. And to keep him from falling, you know, getting out in the yard, out of the pasture. So anyways, Tez got himself up. He was smiling, happy. And now we made one. We went once all the way down to the railroad tracks, and I noticed I was at one bar. I needed gas, so came back with one pass and got gas. So here we are. Taz, come on, let's go. Let's finish plowing the snow. Come on, buddy. Tez, you're not listening. You're allowing your body to control you rather than your mind. Come on, to the tractors so we can go. Daddy's done putting gas in it. Yep. Come on, over Taz. Taz, you're losing train of thought again. Over here, this side. This side. Nope. Come on. Taz, you're losing train of thought. Let's go. We're getting in the tractor. Let's go. Let me get in first, then I'll get you in, okay? No, matter of fact, let me help you get up. Come here. Since your clothes are so tight on you right now, you have a hard time getting in. You ready? Okay, stay at the window. Stay at the window. Let me get in. Okay. Hey, Tess, I need you to turn your body towards the glass. Okay, watch your onions. Watch your fingers. Let's get you up here. No one plows, no one, it's just people, you know, a lot of people under your low class, not even in your lower middle class, just people that just don't have a lot. A few elderly ladies, and you know, just so I like to kind of come down and trying to figure out ways that I could just bless my neighbors, you know. See if I can see back there. I don't know if you can see that. Let's see here. So that's the road. You can see back there. Just plowed the whole thing. Now, just hope I don't have any neighbors that complain that, like in the city, people complain about the people that plow the roads because they can't get out of their driveways because of the big piles of snow that's plowed up on their driveway. I try my best not to do that, but it is what it is, you know. So anyways, let me get finished up here. Tezzy, what you doing? You falling asleep? Stand up, don't fall asleep on my leg. I have to put my brakes on. Look over that way. Alright, guys. Tezzy, come on. It's time for us to go in the house. It's getting late. We've been out here for like 4 hours. Stop throwing stuff in snow at the dogs. No, stop. Put it down. Put it down. Let's go in the house. Come on. Come on, Tez. Tez. Come on. Why are you walking through the deepest snow and going the slowest? Come on, my hands are full, buddy. You haven't even taken a nap today. He fell asleep inside the tractor. That's amazing that he was kind of like laying on the wheel well, feet on the ground. Taz, come here. That boy isn't any farther along than when I was right by him. Taz, come here. One thing for sure, he likes the snow. I was worried about that. He really seems to be enjoying himself playing in it. Tough. So, what's going on in the kitchen? What have you been into? Huh? What have you been into? What have you been into, Tess? Were you into something you know you're not supposed to be into? What were you into? Let me ask you something. What's this in your hands? What's this in your hands? What is that? What is that? Where did the powder come from? And you know you're not supposed to be playing with the powder, right? The baby powder. How many times have I spanked you for doing this? I can't even count the number of times. And yet, what does truck have to do with anything? You know this is a no. You know this is a no.
I was broken, but then I asked God for Him to send me His most precious daughter. 'Cause my heart couldn't take no more. It tried to love twice before, till I seen my black squirrel. I knew God gave me the world when He sent me an angel, my beautiful. When we're together, my heart is so full. You make life so much better. I love you always and forever, forever and always. You encouraged me to follow my dreams, so we bought a cabin in eastern Kentucky. The love you have for our family means everything to me. I was blessed by your hand, 'cause God had a plan when He sent me an angel, my beautiful. When we're together, my heart is so full. You make life so much better. I love you always and forever, forever and always. When He sent me an angel, my beautiful. When we're together, my heart is so full. You make life so much better.